Hello there, it's Michael Fish with your weekly forecast on netweather.tv. Spare a thought for the poor people of Adelaide in Australia. Their temperature on Thursday reached 46.6 degrees, 47 near enough. And I think that was a record. Must be simply unbearable. Now we're 47 degrees as well, but the difference being that we're in Fahrenheit and they're in Celsius. So as far as our weather's concerned, it looks as if we're going to have a milder interlude, but for most of the coming week it's going to be cold, often with biting northerly winds and some snow around as well. The pressure pattern at the moment, we have high pressure to the southwest and low pressure to the west, and that's giving us the mild westerly winds. The low to the west deepens and moves into the north of Scotland on Saturday, bringing on gales and eventually pulling down that colder air from the north. The low then moves on into Germany, and another push of cold air comes along as a result of that. And also as a result of another low that's going to be moving into the Norwegian Sea. All this happening on Monday. Then for a while no lows actually over us, but then on Thursday another area of low pressure tracks over the United Kingdom, again reinforcing the cold winds, possibly bringing some snow, but it's a long way ahead and we really must firm up on that near the time. Once that low's out of the way, a ridge will follow on Saturday, but not long before a further trough brings back those cold winds for the weekend. So then, the daily forecast for Saturday, fairly mild to begin with, but cloudy over England and Wales, wet and windy over Scotland and Northern Ireland. And this wet and very windy weather will move eastwards over England and Wales, with gales or severe gales, for which the Met Office has issued a yellow warning. But not before probably eastern parts of England have had a reasonable day with some sunshine, the rain clearing from them during the night, giving some heavy bursts and some squally winds. 8 to 10 degrees for most places, but a chilly 4 or 5 degrees still in the northeast of Scotland. Then on Sunday, very windy I think, with cold winds and a further front which will bring rain, sleet or snow across all parts, followed by sunny spells and wintry showers. 3 to 5 degrees, so quite cold for most places, but the Channel Islands holding on to a mild 10 degrees. For Monday, it looks like the winds will slowly ease. It's going to be reasonably sunny after a frosty start, but there will be some wintry showers along the east coast and more generally around western and northern parts in the evening. A cold 2 to 4 degrees. On Tuesday, sunny spells and wintry showers after a frosty start. Temperatures could well remain close to freezing in the north, 3 to 5 degrees in the south. On Wednesday, severe frost to begin with, and then sunny spells and wintry showers, although eastern parts of England will probably miss most of the showers and stay generally dry. 3 to 4 degrees, around freezing over the hills. Then on Thursday, a band of more general sleet or snow will cross all parts in the night, and then a low will track across Ireland and through across into northern parts of England. And this is a major problem, as it could give a lot of snow late Thursday and into Friday before it moves away on Saturday. But the message is really stay in touch. It's a long way ahead. The track is vital. If it's further north, there'll be rain in southern parts. If it's further south, there'll be a lot of snow. And we simply haven't firmed up on it just yet. So keep tuned to the forecast, watch the warnings. But whatever happens, it should be out of the way later on in the weekend, although it is going to turn windy again on Sunday. So temperatures mostly around 3 or 4 degrees, but Cornwall somewhat milder, Cornwall on the south coast, and then a colder 2 or 3 degrees for later in the weekend. So a big question mark there over the latter part of the week. Not such a problem beforehand, but there will be quite a bit of cold weather. You'll need to wrap up, you need to wrap your pipes as well. Let's hope things sort out, and I'll be back this time next week having whatever has happened has happened. Until then, bye bye.